Hello guys, welcome to Food Shastra again. Let's make a vegan taco. Olive oil, onion, we'll wait until it's become little bit of transparent. Then we'll add our vegan meat. It's done. This is basically vegan mince meat. You can see. So we'll add all our spices. First I'll add a bit of onion powder. Then oregano or mixed herbs. Chili flakes, peppercorn, chili powder, then I've made a homemade chili and cumin powder, a bit of it. Now I'll add a bit of salt, tomato sauce, it smells just like meat. I'll quickly taste it. Perfect. Let's make this taco. So I got this already made taco shells. Let's make another one. Taco meat, onion, tomato, bell pepper, and lettuce. And final, we have our garlic sauce. And our shell is ready. Taco shell. Tomato, cucumber, onions and lettuce. Finally